Hello everyone, now I am going to discuss about another form of communication, that is verbal and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication is associated with words. When we use words and communicate, that is known as verbal communication. There are two types of verbal communication. One is oral communication, another is written communication. Face-to-face conversations, telephonic conversations, video conferencing can be considered as oral communication, whereas written communication can take the forms of letters, text messages, reports, etc. Verbal communication permits diversity of the message, as one can express different things and experiences through the medium of written or oral language. Non-verbal communication is basically exchanging certain messages without using words. This can be through facial expressions, our body language, eye contact, etc. Non-verbal communication is usually spontaneous. In case of face-to-face communication, both verbal and non-verbal communication takes place at the same time. When you can see the person, when you can see the expression or the reaction of the person, then verbal and non-verbal communication takes place at the same time. In case of written communication, words are the only medium of communication. When you write and communicate, the other person cannot see the expressions on your face or cannot listen to the tone of your voice. So that is why it is totally dependent upon the words that you are using. But in case of oral communication, non-verbal communication plays a very important role. It basically enhances the impact of the spoken message. Next form of communication is intrapersonal communication and interpersonal communication. When a person communicates with himself or herself, that is known as intrapersonal communication. When a person thinks about something, that is basically intrapersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is the type of communication where two people interact with one another. When the communication takes place between two people or more than two people, that is known as interpersonal communication. There are a few other types of communication as well, like group communication, public communication, mass communication. I would like to throw some light on these forms of communication as well. So when two or more people interact with one another in such a way that they influence each other, so that is known as a group communication. Whereas public communication involves a speech by one person to a large number of people at a time, so that is public communication. And mass communication is the extension of public communication. Is the process of communicating to the public at large through mass media such as television, internet, films, publications, etc. So that's all about forms of communication. Thank you so much.